Thank you, Mistress Ceremonies and honorable judges. Good afternoon, everyone. I had a partner when I was in high school. In the spring of my first year of the university, Aya, my doorman, said this to me. I curiously asked, "Wow, what was your boyfriend like?" She answered, "Well, I was in an all-girls high school. Did your boyfriend attend another school?" Then she said quietly, "I didn't have a boyfriend. I had a girlfriend." At that moment, I was confused and couldn't say anything to her. I was ashamed of myself because I unconsciously decided that a girl's partner is not a boyfriend. Consequently, I hurt my friend without an intention to do so. If you hear, "I have a partner" from a girl, what type of partner do you imagine? We understand the importance of cherishing diverse sexualities. However, in reality, through my experience, I realized I hurt my friend unconsciously and ignored some sexuality in my daily lives. So today, I would like to talk about SOGI, SOGI, sexual orientation and gender identity. I hope my speech will be a trigger to let you take actions for realizing a truly diverse society where every soldier is not denied. Sexual orientation and gender identity. SOGI is an inclusive term that stands for sexual preferences and gender identification. Everyone has their own SOGI. It is not the idea of majority or minority, but sexuality as an attribute that all people have. People can love those of the same sex, the opposite sex, both or any sex. Some are sure of their gender identity and others are not. In my case, I identify as a woman and am attracted to men. Like this, there are many types of SOGI. That is why we need to respect each other, no matter what kind of SOGI we have. However, in reality, some SOGI are denied in this society. According to the Ministry of Justice, about 70% of people have received discriminatory marks at work or school about their SOGI. This means not every SOGI are respected, though we all must have the same rights. Everyone, please imagine. Suppose you are chatting with someone of the opposite sex. Maybe some of your friends say, "Are you dating?" as if only heterosexuality exists in this society. When you wear a skirt, people around you say, "You look like a girl." Though a skirt is not only for girls and no one can decide that you are a girl. Yes, this shows that some SOGI are denied. This is exactly the non-diverse society where I want to change. If we continue to living in the non-diverse society, what will happen? According to Rebet, a non-profit organization, about 70% of children whose SOGI are not accepted have ever thought about suicide. This means our unconscious words and behavior cause some people feel denied and lose their self-esteem. Our ignorance about SOGI may push our precious one to their death. To continue this non-diverse society leads to wound people even more. Then, why do we deny some SOGI unconsciously? The answer is, we have never learned about SOGI in our lives. Rebet also shows that about 90% of Japanese children do not have chances to learn about SOGI and become adults without knowing about this issue. Because of this ignorance about SOGI, we think our gender identity should be the same as primary sex characteristics, like a baby with a penis must live as a man and love females. So we use words based on gender dualism and heterosexuality. This ignorance makes us deny some SOGI without an intention to do so. I actually didn't know the concept of SOGI. After the conversation with Aya, I realized how ignorant I was and denied some SOGI in my daily lives. So, to deepen my understanding of Soji, I went to Gender Sexuality Center in my university and reached, what can each of us do not to deny some Soji? Now, I want to share the solutions. There are 2 steps. Firstly, learn about Soji. For example, why this question, do you have a boyfriend, is undesirable? When the other person comes to tell their Soji, how can you react? These are the part of the things we should learn about. Before you wound someone, please check other examples by searching for social harassment on the internet. By knowing such information, you can review new words and behavior. Second, watch new words and behavior when you talk with people. For example, not using words by judging people a man or woman from their appearance is effective to make people to live as they are. If we all learn Soji and care about our words and behavior, we can reach to the truly diverse society. In my case, I learned about Soji in my university and the internet. I sometimes participate in some seminars held by non-profit organizations. By updating my knowledge about Soji, I could review my unconscious bias and learn to be more careful with my words. Half an year passed, and I met Aya again. I talked to her about our love life, using the word partner instead of boyfriend or girlfriend. Then she confided in her words about her Soji and said, "Thank you, Mina. I'm so glad you listened to me." I realized I could break my unconscious bias towards Soji, and this kind of effort by every single person can reach to the truly diverse society. In a truly diverse society, all people can live as they are. They respect each other, regardless of Soji they have. Everyone, now it's your turn. To create a truly diverse society, we need to start from learning Soji. We need to change our words and behavior. To realize a truly diverse society, why don't we change our understanding of Soji? Thank you.